Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Candy Crush Saga application on your Android and iOS device. Since I'm using iOS device, this tutorial is friendly for Android users as well. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device that you are using has a stable internet connection. Once it is, open your Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS users. In the search bar, type in Candy Crush Saga. Look for the Candy Crush Saga application from King and tap on the Install or the Get button, or you might even see the cloud icon if you've previously downloaded the app on this iOS device. Wait for a couple of minutes and your application should be downloaded. Just make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that you can get the application installed faster. Once the app is installed, you can tap on Open and start playing Candy Crush Saga on your smartphone. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.